In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if Google Tag Manager is working properly. This is an essential process to ensure that your website tracks data accurately and efficiently. Let's walk through the steps together to verify the setup with ease. First, you'll want to go ahead and open your browser and navigate to tagassistant.google.com. This is Google's official tool to help you analyze and troubleshoot Google Tag Manager, as well as other Google tags on your website, ensuring everything is configured as it should be. Once you're on the website, you'll see an option in the top right corner that says Install Extension. This option is key because it allows us to add the Tag Assistant extension to our browser, which will facilitate the checking process. Go ahead and click on this button. By clicking on Install Extension, you will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. This is where Google hosts a variety of extensions that enhance your browser's functionality, and we want to specifically focus on the Tag Assistant. In the Chrome Web Store, locate the Tag Assistant extension. You'll want to click on Add to Chrome to start the installation. This only takes a moment and is crucial for the next steps. Once installed, you'll notice a new icon appearing near the top right of your browser, indicating that the Tag Assistant extension is ready to use. Now it's time to test if Google Tag Manager is working seamlessly with your website. To do this, visit the website you wish to analyze. With the website loaded in your browser, click on the Tag Assistant extension icon. The extension will now evaluate the status of the Google Tag Manager container on the site. Ideally, you want to see a green indicator. This signifies that your Google Tag Manager is installed correctly and is functioning without any hitches. However, if the Tag Assistant detects any issues, it will alert you with a different color or message. It's worth noting that the extension provides tips or information on what might be going wrong. This feedback is incredibly useful for diagnosing and resolving any problems with your Google Tag Manager setup. Taking the time to verify the integrity of your Google Tag Manager installation is integral to ensuring your website's analytics are precise, reflecting real user behavior without discrepancies or data gaps. Remember, regularly checking in on this can save you time and potential headaches in the future. That wraps up our guide on verifying your Google Tag Manager using the Tag Assistant extension. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.